you will get this spacious living and dining area space where you will be getting kitchen platform, and this is the space of a master bedroom where you can easily place. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Queen's Glory by Web of Lakshmi Builders and Developers located in Subhash Nagar, Chembur. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. And this is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do any query, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.4 acres that will have 3 wings, each wing of ground plus 16 floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Now, talking about the amenities, this project has rooftop amenities with clubhouse, gym, multi-purpose hall, landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, kids play area and many more amenities. Now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located in Subhash Nagar, Chembur, from where Chembur Freeway is only at a distance of 15 minutes, Chembur Railway Station is only at a distance of 3 minutes, Chembur Gymkhana is only at a distance of 2 minutes, BKC Connector is only at a distance of 12 minutes, and Bandra-Worli Sea Link is only at a distance of 3.5 kilometers from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now, we are standing outside the 1 BHK of Queen's Glory. This 1 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 381 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder is providing. As we enter, you will get this spacious living and dining area. You can place your sofas, center tables and customize your TV unit in the living. Also, you will be getting full French windows with a glass railing to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And you can also place your dining table in this corner to enjoy mealtime with your family. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. And this is your alley area that has entrance to your bedroom, washroom and kitchen. First, on this side we have a kitchen space where you will be getting kitchen platform. Also, ventilation windows are provided in the kitchen, and right opposite to the kitchen, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you actual location tours. We give you sample flat tours, we give you 360-degree view of the project. We also tell you the plans and pricing with EMI and down payment plans. And then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 1 BHK. As we enter, you'll get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. And this is the space of a master bedroom where you can easily place your king or queen size bed along with the side table. You can see you have walkable space even after placing your bed. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner and you can also customize your makeup corner. Also, you will be getting full French windows with a glass railing to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And in this corner, we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was your 1 BHK sample flat tour of Queen's Glory. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.